we are gonna use unstoppable domains to get finance after 40.crypto. We're gonna pay 5 to 10 bucks so we can get up to $20,000 potential airdrop just like ENS from unstoppable domain, and we all gonna do that on Medic Change, so it's basically free. And if you like what you see, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Let's get started with this unstoppable domain tutorial. So what are we doing? You go to this website, of course, as always, link in the description. If you guys don't know me already, all the links in the description. Unstoppabledomains.com. Grab yours before it's gone forever, starting at 5 bucks. This is much more simple and a lot less very cheap compared to the ENS one that you need to pay like 200 bucks for like 10 years. You pay 5-10 bucks, no renewals, no nothing. It is your name forever. There are a couple of steps you need to sign, there's email, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna show you finance after 40. I'm gonna show you what I already have. I already have this one, finance after 40 crypto. I bought it like a month ago. Basically it cost 10 bucks, but now I'm gonna do, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm gonna do, let's say, that NFT. It is not that it's not super simple, so pay attention. So let's say finance after 40 that NFT or that coin or that wallet, what do you guys say, or that Bitcoin. If you see here, that blockchain domain is coming soon. I think this airdrop, once they drop a coin, will be a lot bigger than the ENS.ETH one, because you got all those domains, that X, crypto, coin, wallet, Bitcoin, 888, NFT, DAO, Zilliqa, and blockchain. I'm gonna do that coin. Yeah, finance after 40 that coin, that wallet, that NFT. Sure, sounds good. Add to cart. Now the problem here that you actually need to pay real live money before you can even go to the MetaMask process. You actually need to purchase this credit card, debit card, PayPal, etc. Continue to cart. Okay, finance after 40.nft. Do you live in the US? Yes or no? You see, you pay to Stripe. That's the basically, you only do half the first step. You buy with real life money, and then you go and mint it onto your MetaMask, and then it's yours forever. That's it. So am I living in the US? Click yes. It looks for my zip code. Let's pause. And you see here, once I put my zip code, it says checkout. You can pay with the crypto app, crypto coin. See, the problem here when you click here, I've checked. It's well, once I click start transaction, it says that you only need to use Ethereum network. So I'm not gonna do that. You can use a credit card. I'm gonna use PayPal. I'm gonna stop for a second, come back again. Now it says thank you for your order. See, I paid 5 bucks. Send an email, By the way, if someone wants to contact me, that's my email. Go to my domain. 5 bucks. My domain was basically, here you go, finance after 40.crypto. As I said, I got it a month ago. And finance after 40.nft. And you see, this one is already on Polygon. So this is what we're gonna do today. This is not enough. You only done step 1. You got yourself a name. If you want to get the actual potential airdrop that could be worth hopefully $20,000, you actually need to mint it, so your domain name will be on the blockchain forever and ever. Not minted, what does it mean? You can read all about it. Free mint, because we're going on Polygon. So click free mint, mint domain on Polygon. Minting and managing domains on Polygon is free. Not all applications currently support Polygon. Domain manager. Okay, click continue. Choose the wallet. How does it work? Okay, so that's my wallet is already connected. Domain owner will be assigned to the following wallet. I understand. So basically, you connect your MetaMask once, because I already done it on my finance after 40 crypto. Yeah. We are currently experiencing an increased number of domain minting requests. Your domain can take up to 48 hours to mint. Wow. You guys gotta understand, I'm not the only person that are hunting for airdrop. You should do the same. Follow all the links, follow the Google Excel airdrop, They have like 250 airdrop potential. It is insane. Start with the ones that are testnet, start with the ones on Polygon because it's super cheap, and work your way up basically to Ethereum. Okay, so let's click confirm, two-factor authentication, send me a code. Okay, let's put the code. So I just put the code and now it says minting process started. Let's see what's going on here. Your domains are now being deployed into the blockchain and your crypto wallet. That's cool. This transaction is being executed on the Polygon network. When the transaction is complete, your domain will show on the blockchain. Track progress. Let's track the progress. See what's going on. It says pending. I don't think it's gonna take 2 days. That doesn't defeat the purpose, but basically that's the whole process. And if I click finance after 40.nft, could not fetch domain record. Okay, it's still minting. Transaction status. Let's refresh. Pending. I'm gonna do this one more second. Okay, pending. Okay, so basically if I go to my domains, it says here one is minting and one is already done. Let's see what happens when I click manage finance after 40.crypto, fetching records. So basically, that's cool. I can add crypto address, so you can send to finance after 40.crypto in Ethereum. You can send in Medic. I need to add Binance, XRP, Litecoin. Pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. And that's all. The first one, .crypto, cost me $10 forever. .nft cost me $5 forever. No renewal fees. None of that nonsense. And yeah, a link for this will be in the description. Let's see what else we got. I'll put this one as well. Domain management on Polygon is live on the description. If you like what you see, way to support this channel is Patreon and a couple of other stuff. All the links below. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40, and this is how you get yourself an unstoppable domain so on Polygon for a couple of pennies, so we can basically get a potential airdrop that could be bigger than the $20,000 ENS. I'll see you next time. Thank you.